So that's the Starlink, right? So the solar panel is putting up right now 150 watts, right? And then 10 amps. Okay, 155. Now here. So what it says here is telling you how much power is coming out. So Starlink is consuming about 60 watts and 5 amps per hour. But you see the positive sign right there? That means that the solar panel is still putting some power into the box. So that's why you don't see these numbers coming down. They're maintaining the numbers because the solar panel is keeping up with the demand. It's keeping up pretty good, you know. It's putting so it means that the solar panel is putting double, a little bit more than double than the Starlink consumes. So 60 watts, not bad, per hour. So 5 hours of internet with no sun. So keep in mind that you need to be tracking those numbers when you are in the forest. Not forest, but you know, when you're camping or whatever. And also the solar panel is pretty dirty. You can see that dust, that pollen covering the solar panel. I'm gonna go ahead and probably give it a wash in a minute to see how much production I can get from there.